What's up, everyone? My name is Yevhen. I'm a technician at a local company, Appliance Fix Lab, which provides repair and maintenance of appliances in Winnipeg and surround area. Appliance troubleshooting time. Today's video about the repair and maintenance of an Amana electric stove in the Winnipeg area of West Broadway. Reason for the service call: the oven does not heat up and one of the burners does not work. Upon inspection, I discovered that 3 burn temperature knobs were missing, a loose switch, and poor electric contacts. I cleaned all contacts, secured the switch, and installed new burner control knobs. I checked the functionality of all burners and the oven in baking and grill mode. Success! Everything works. The repair of the Amana electric stove is complete. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.